morning everyone, we are here at Hanel Machinery. My name is Frederick Trisse. I'm here together with Robert Clarse, our valued customer from Power Equipment. Robert will tell us a little bit about how he used these lifts in his business and perhaps gives us the first idea. Can you give us the first idea of what your business Power Equipment is doing and what kind of industry you are in?
Okay, our business is diesel engines, so we import diesel engines from around the world. Mainly Yamaha and John Deere are our two main brands. We've been in business for over 27 years now, and we first installed, when we moved to a greenfield site in Lindbrook, we installed our first two main lifts back in 2008 it was. The lifts are 9 metres tall by I think they're 2,400 wide. About 2 or 3 years later we put in another two machines due to expansion, and then probably another 3 years after that we put in another two machines. So in total we've got 6 machines, all running about 80 shelves each. And I think we worked out that we've got about 3.5 kilometres of shelving space in those lifts. Those lifts are currently carrying about 13,200 SKUs in them, with all various parts from washers to filters to little tiny bits to quite large bits. We do have some spare parts, long span shelving. We keep that in place mainly just because we have got the space there to do that. We couldn't really figure out what else to do with the area, so we keep really slow moving or dead stock on those shelves. The picking itself is quite efficient. It actually takes longer to pack the items than it does to pick the items. On average we would do probably 80 to 100 airbags or orders a day, plus road freight orders. Road freight tend to be larger stock orders and things like that. We also do 2 orders over to our New Zealand branch every week as an air freight, and they could have several hundred items in those orders as we send them. The daily orders would be anything, I think on average it sort of averages around 3 lines per order, but we could have anything from 1 O-ring to 80 lines on one order to be picked at a time. So with definitely having the 6 machines and having the parts spread throughout all the machines, the actual efficiency of the shelves themselves coming down, the person just walks around between the lifts picking the parts, and we're not waiting for the shelves or the lifts at all. By the time we've done the 6 machines, the other shelves are sitting there waiting to be picked again. So it's just literally walk around, pick the parts, pile them all up, and then spend the time to pack it all up and send it out.
I think you have seen a lot of benefits for the business, and we have seen a lot of improvement together with you with the machines. That's a great story. So I just want to thank you again today for that interview. And if our visitors want to know more, they can go on your website. It's
on our website, powerequipment.com.au.
Yeah, I saw they have a good video there explaining the whole processes with the lift. So please visit their website. If you want to know more about Headland and Headland Storage, visit please headland.com.au or headlandstorage.com.au. And yes, thank you.